Welcome back, students. In this video, we will discuss about the birth and death process. Before this, I discussed with you birth immigration process, Eulfure process and pure birth process. So in today's class, we will discuss this birth and death process. देखो बर्थ एंड डेथ प्रोसेस का मतलब क्या है. किसी भी पॉपुलेशन में इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज पॉसिबल कि ऑलवेज बर्थ विल बी देयर और ऑलवेज डेथ विल बी देयर और ऑलवेज बर्थ एंड डेथ बोथ विल बी देयर. तो अलग अलग पॉपुलेशन पे अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग चीजें होती हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स ना, लाइक सम टाइम इट इज हैपन कि सिर्फ बर्थ हुए हैं, कोई डेथ नहीं हुई. समटाइम्स ओनली डेथ इज देयर, नो बर्थ. एंड समटाइम्स बोथ विल बी देयर. हो सकता है इक्वल नंबर में हो सकता है डेथ ज्यादा हो बर्थ कम हो, समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो आई विल डिस्कस यू दिस प्रोसेस विद यू. बर्थ डेथ प्रोसेस में हम सबसे पहले आई विल डिफाइन यू द प्रोबेबिलिटी. Okay, what is the probability ki there will be n birth? What is the probability ki there will be no birth? That probability I will discuss with you. So probability, number of birth between t and t plus h. इस time interval के between the number of birth is k, given that up to time t number of people are n. number of people कितने थे? n थे. up to time t तक number of people are n and the probability that की number of birth is k. तो that probability is given by, suppose k is equal to 0. what is k is equal to 0? k is equal to means 0 means कि वहां पे कोई birth हुआ ही नहीं है. that means 1 minus lambda nh प्लस ऑर्डर ऑफ एच. सपोज के इज इक्वल टू 1 की एक ही बर्थ हुआ है, दैट इज लैम्डा एन एच प्लस ऑर्डर ऑफ एच. हियर यू कैन पुट माइनस ऑल्सो, प्लस माइनस दैट डजंट मैटर बिकॉज वेन एवर यू विल टेक दैट लिमिट एच गोज टू 0, दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ एच विल गो टू 0. ओके, तो प्लस माइनस इतना मैटर नहीं करता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉजिक इफ यू गो देन माइनस विल कम हियर. फॉर के ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2, हियर ऑर्डर ऑफ एच. Okay, this is the birth process. And one more thing, the constant lambda when n is equal to 0, that constant may or may not be 0. It is possible कि constant 0 ना हो and it is also possible कि constant 0 भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. Now k कि if k is equal to now k represents the birth. Now it is also here k is non-negative integer. Now you can see k is either taking value 0, 1 or greater than 1. These values are taken by the k. That means either population will remain constant, उतनी ही रहेगी जितनी है, और ये increase करेगी. Population will never go decrease. But at the same time, if I define the probability की number of death, जरूरी नहीं है हर population में हर time birth ही हो रहा हो, death भी हो सकता है. तो number of death between t and t plus h is k. हमने वहां पे भी k ही assume कर लिए. You can use some another variable also. There is no issue with the variable. I am using k here. हमने मान लिया कि k ही birth हुए t से t plus h में. ठीक है, given that n people are there. given that n people are there up to time t. So this probability will be given by, like here I have used lambda, so I am using here mu. When k is equal to 0, there is no death. कोई death नहीं हुई है, तो it will be the probability. जो काम birth के लिए क्या है, as it is same things we are doing for death. The only difference is of coefficient here lambda and here mu n. तो as it is probability copy कर दो. This is the probability that we did. Now what I want to say is, here we will make 4 cases. Okay, बिफोर मेकिंग दैट 4 केसेस आई विल टेल यू समथिंग कि देखो पॉपुलेशन में आपका इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट एक नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर से होगा, बिकॉज हियर वी आर डिफाइनिंग k एज 0, 1 और समथिंग ग्रेटर देन 1. वी आर नॉट डिफाइनिंग k एज नेगेटिव, और नेगेटिव का कोई मीनिंग भी नहीं है. व्हाट डू यू मीन कि -1 बर्थ हुए या -1 डेथ हुए? What do you mean that? There is no meaning of that thing ना. तो we will consider k as our non-negative integer. ये चीज है. Second thing देखो, हम intervals को break करेंगे. एक हम break करेंगे 0 से t पे, और दूसरा हम break करेंगे t से t plus h के लिए. ठीक है. और nt यहाँ पे टोटल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा ओवरऑल, जो कि हम क्या लेके चलेंगे अप टू टाइम t, nt will be n. This thing we will consider. Okay, so now I am writing the 4 probabilities, 4 possibilities actually, not probabilities. Firstly, I will write those 4 possibilities and then I will explain to you one by one. All right. मैंने लिख दी हैं all the possibilities. For example, here see, Aij. This I represent number of birth. Okay, this J represents number of death. कितनी डेथ हो रही है, कितनी बर्थ हो रही है. नाउ नो बर्थ नो डेथ, दैट मीन्स k इज इक्वल टू 0 इन बोथ केस, नो बर्थ एंड नो डेथ. तो p एंड t, बर्थ ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या थी, k इज इक्वल टू 0 पे ये थी. डेथ ना होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज दिस. आई हैव सॉल्व दिस एंड इट इज इक्वल टू दिस थिंग. हाउ आई डिड, सी लैम्डा एन म्यू एन, h I have taken common, minus order of h. देखो 2 times order of h will come there, or order of h square will come there. So you can write just order of h, because at the last whenever you will take the limit it will go to 0, so it will not create any problem to you. ठीक है. Now no birth but 1 death. Birth is 0 but there is a death. Birth 0 means this k is equal to 0 probability, and there is 1 death, तो k is equal to 1 के लिए you have this probability here. हाँ, plus will come here. It is correct. So here plus will come. Okay, this is the probability. So what I did here also, mu n plus 1 h. Why I have written only this term here? This is the most important thing. देखो जो भी आपकी h की हायर और h की हायर ऑर्डर टर्म्स है, all of that will go to 0 when you will turn your h equal to h to 0. तो what I did, I consider only the single power of h. That is the only thing which I considered. So all the terms having power of h more than 1, I have put that in this order of h. तो यहाँ पे only when you multiply this and this, only mu n plus 1 h is having single power of h. All other term are having more than 1 power of h. So I put all of them into this order of h. Understood? Now third thing, कि there is 1 birth but no death. 1 birth. For birth, this no death means k is equal to 0. So this thing. And one more thing, you have noted कि n, how I know कि n will come, n minus 1 will come, n plus 1 will come. That thing also I discussed with you. Firstly, let us complete this portion. K, 1 birth and no death. Same logic I used here that I have used here. कि order of h में all the higher order terms of h is there, तो except this power 1, all powers are here. ठीक है. Here 1 birth and 1 death. 1 birth के लिए this probability, 1 death के लिए this probability, and all of these are having power of h more than 1 ना, तो I put all of them here in order of h. ठीक है. Now आपकी population में देखो यहाँ पे when we calculate the probability, वो probability आती है Pn, कि आपके overall n events ही होने चाहिए. ठीक है, that is the probability. अब यहाँ देखो n कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. n इवेंट कराने थे आपको 0 से t के बीच में, आपने सारे करा दिए, n आ गया. Pn plus 1, how this Pn plus 1 came here? Okay, see, overall after doing these events your population will be n minus I plus j. ओवरऑल जो भी आपके n इवेंट है उसमें आप i को ऐड करोगे और j को, सॉरी, i you will subtract and j you will add. तो this will be your total population. अब देखो यहाँ पे 0 1, I is 0, j is 1. तो total members are n plus 1 are there ना, n plus 1 members are there in your population, इसलिए here n plus 1. Okay, here 1 birth and 0 death, तो 1 birth 0 death, n minus 1 total people are there, तो n minus 1 is there. Okay, here 1 1 birth and 1 death, so n is there, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel each other, n is there, so this is the probability with this n. Understood? Now overall probability Pn t plus h is given by the sum of these probabilities. Pn t plus h is given by sum of these probabilities. Pn t 1 minus lambda n plus mu n h minus this order of h pnt plus sum of these probabilities na, pn plus 1 t mu n plus 1 h. This order of h in last I will write one time. Understood? This is your differential equation. Now same thing we will do here. I will shift this pnt multiplying with this in left hand side, then I will divide both side by this h, and then I will take limit h goes to 0. तो left hand side see, जब मैं ऐसा करूंगी it will be minus lambda n plus mu n pnt. This h and this h will cancel each other. It will be 0 when limit goes to 0. ठीक है, this will be directly 0. I am putting 0 here. H and h cancel each other and it will be this h will also cancel each other, h by h, then it will be here, and when h goes to 0 this term is 0. So this is your required differential equation. It will be Pn dash t. Now under the given conditions, initial conditions, you can solve this differential equation like we solved pure birth process and Euler-Furey process. Main focus जो इस पे था, that focus is on कि how these differential equation are forming. Overall आपको जो population रखनी है time t plus h तक वो ये रखनी है. This is our main focus purpose, main focus point. तो overall population will be this. So according to that here n plus 1, n minus 1 and n is coming. Okay.